Hey, I'm Varish, and welcome to my channel, Mindware to Metaverse, where AI meets the future and we break down what's coming next. Today, we're exploring
from abstract thought to virtual reality. An odyssey from a single spark in your mind to immersive virtual studios producing real-world impact. We decode the entire process for you. The future isn't just around the corner. It's being built, thought by thought, prompt by prompt, verse by verse. And so, without further ado, let us take our first step. Part 1. From an idea to organized text. In today's digital world, AI tools are changing how we turn ideas into written content. By using machine learning and natural language processing, these platforms understand exactly what you want to say. Whether you're working on a story, email, or technical writing, AI helps create clear, engaging, and high-quality text from just a simple idea. These AI tools adjust the tone, style, and length of your writing, helping you craft content faster while still connecting with your audience.
At this pivotal moment in the evolution of artificial intelligence, these three AI platforms stand out for delivering good to exceptional concept-to-text generation capabilities.
OpenAI GPT-4 ChatGPT. Strengths: versatile, great for creative writing, customer support, technical docs, and more. Deep context, understanding, ideal for long-form content and complex discussions. Natural language, generates human-like, coherent text over long interactions. Weaknesses: hallucinated content, can sometimes produce inaccurate or made-up info. Data reliance, struggles with niche topics without clear input. Ethical concerns, can be misused for biased or harmful content. Best for content creation, customer service, and conversational AI.
Now, let's talk about Claude AI. Strengths: long-form writing. It excels at detailed articles, reports, essays, and complex documents. Nuanced understanding, it handles context, tone, and intent exceptionally well across diverse tasks. Conversational depth. It maintains coherent, context-aware, multi-turn conversations better than most competitors. Weaknesses: limited marketing templates. It lacks pre-built templates optimized for ads and social media. No native image generation. It does not produce visuals or multimedia content directly. Internet access limitations. Real-time web search is not always available, depending on the plan or context. Best for long-form content, research, coding, analysis, and nuanced conversational tasks. Let's look at WriteSonic. WriteSonic offers a wide range of content generation. It can create advertisements, blogs, landing pages, and product descriptions. It is highly customizable, allowing you to adjust tone, style, and length easily. It is also affordable, making it a good choice for small businesses and individual creators. However, there are some limitations. It is less advanced when handling complex content like detailed reports or research papers. The output can sometimes feel repetitive or predictable. It also has limited creative depth, which makes it less ideal for rich storytelling. WriteSonic is best suited for short-form content, such as blogs, advertisements, and social media posts. Overall, these platforms are strong contenders in text generation, each excelling in different areas. Depending on your content needs, one may be better for long-form storytelling, while another is ideal for quick, marketing-focused writing. Choose the tool that aligns best with your goals. Beyond the top 3 platforms, there are other good options to explore. You can try Perplexity AI, which is strong for research-backed answers. Obsidian is a powerful tool for note-taking and knowledge management. Notion AI is especially useful within productivity workflows. Each platform has its own niche and purpose, but the foundation always remains the same. Concept, prompt, organized text. That is the first real transformation. In the next part, we take that organized text and turn it into images. Thanks for joining me in this video, and make sure to watch the next part, where we take abstract thought even deeper into virtual reality. If you found this interesting, share it with your friends and spread the word. And, of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next.